Welcome back to another tutorial video. Today we're going to cover how to add a basic command move, and then we can insert a couple waypoints for a robot to move into. First, let's come into the programming tab and then click on empty. And here you can add a move command and see a waypoint is automatically generated for you. For each move command, you can choose between move joint, move line, and move spline. Move joint will restrict the joint speed and generate a curved path for the robot TCP to follow. Move line, as its name suggests, will generate a straight path for the TCP to follow. You can also set the speed and acceleration here. And move spline will generate a spline curved path for a TCP to follow. In this case, all the points are considered in the spline path. So in some cases, move spline, although it's generating a smooth curve, it'll have a much slower TCP speed. Next, we can add as much waypoints as we want by clicking waypoints, and then we can set the waypoints by simply going to the set waypoint, and then choose any command that you want, move the robot in any way that you want, and then click OK once you're done. Once the waypoint is set, the waypoint will turn from orange to gray. And again, we can set another waypoint and just click OK. And once you're done, you can play the program from the beginning. That's it. Thanks for watching.